Hey, what's up, family? My name is Mia, and welcome to my humble abode. So, first of all, let's talk about the space. If you notice, I am in a different space than normal. Usually, I'm upstairs, usually, I'm in my creative space. Right now, I am in my tech area. If you have been following my shorts, you've noticed that I have been turning my basement slowly but surely into my creative space. And it's really divine. I'm really happy with it. The other sections that I'm working on is the one that I'm in right now, which is my tech area, and really my garage is being turned into my furniture design area. So trying to create some more spaces so we can move around and do more videos. Speaking of videos, so the video that you're about to watch is the makeover of my front room slash dining room area, or my front entrance area. Now, what's unique about the video is that it's an older video, and I have made changes, put in wood flooring and all that good stuff. But I say all that to say, after looking at my storage at my videos, I've realized that I have about 20-30 videos that I have never posted. So I'm going to save on time a little bit and post the videos that I took all that time and recorded. So you will probably notice that some of my videos will say, hey, back in 2021, or I don't think I have anything that far back. These are videos that pretty much I recorded. I never put them together and put them on my channel. Womp womp. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this first video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Alright, you guys, it is time to show you the dining room. So, I know you're kind of wondering, like, how is she showing us the dining room and we're looking at the front room? Let me explain. I have decided in my design to take, because of the size of the space, to take the dining room and put it in the entry room or the front room, and take the front room and put it where the dining room used to be. The front room area was very small, very awkward, and I figured that it would be better and more, I could be more strategic when it comes to designing the space. What I'm about to show you is how it looks now outside of the floor being done. And what you're looking at now are the before pictures of the space before we moved in here, and to show you the comparison. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this tour. Now that you've seen how it looked before, let's check it out now. Ta-da! This is the space. I am so happy and so in love with it, guys. This is a great example of what I define as Afro-ballistic design. And I'm going to show you how we're just really explaining about 2 or 3 elements that I used. So let's begin. So Afro-ballistic design was inspired by 3 design styles: Bohemian, African, and holistic. So I'm inspired by those 3 design styles, but ultimately I combined them to create a design that I think best fit my home. Now, when you get to the color scheme, instead of doing 3 colors, I did about 5-6 colors, and I wanted to make sure that my base colors was black and white, but I really wanted a pop of color throughout the house. So now that you know that, let's go ahead and get into the first element, furniture. So budget-wise, when it came to furniture for this space, I did not spend a lot of money. I am a lover of vintage furniture, but I'm also a thrifter. So I will go to estate sales, thrift stores, or if somebody's giving something that's of quality that they don't want anymore, I'm all about picking it up if I can use it. So that's what I did. A lot of the pieces that you see in this area were either given to me or I purchased very reasonably. And what I did to bring them all together was to, I guess, redesign them in a sense, like repaint them all black, and then I applied different strategies to them. So, for instance, I did a decoupage on a couple of the pieces. I did a stencil on the plant table, and I also did upholstery for the chairs. I love this because it allowed me to be creative in all my pieces, but it brought them all together in a sense because each piece is unique. But now that you walk into the space, it definitely looks really unified. So another element I used was adding decor. I think I would, if I can put a number on it, I would say 99% of what I hang or what I've hung up into this area been bought from resale shops, estate sales, or on sale at like discount stores, or given to me. I think only one picture that I have I actually spent a whole lot of money on, and in my case it's like 180 bucks on. So when it came to decor, I focused on staying within a budget, but I also focused on buying things that meant something to the design and meant something to me. So I did a lot of thrift shopping, and I've came across a lot of beautiful pieces, a lot of vintage pieces, a lot of current cultural pieces, and I just added it to the decor. So when it came to curtains and the tablecloths and the table runners, I really wanted to make something handmade. So a lot of the things that you see in there I made myself, and I will make videos to show you how I did it. Very simple designs, but I wanted to do it custom because I knew I would be able to create something that better matches the design style. So the next element involves me bringing nature in, and two of the ways that I decided to do that was through crystals and houseplants. Houseplants is like one of the best things you can bring into your home, in my humble opinion, because it just has so many benefits to your environment. So when it came to houseplants, I had to really take in consideration the lighting in my house, but also I wanted to get plants that weren't going to be very hard to maintain because I've been dealing with houseplants for about a year. Still got a lot to learn, but I wanted to get houseplants that were very easy to maintain, needed some or very little maintenance. So you could see, oh my gosh, plants going from a mother-in-law's tongue all the way up to the fiddle leaf fig. Each one of them are beautiful and they all have a specific role in the home. Crystals. I am definitely brand new to crystals, and I wanted them because I've read so much about them, and I love the fact that they bring also good energy to the house. Now, having both of these elements really contribute to the holistic aspect of Afro-ballistic design, and even though this is my first room, I definitely plan on adding more. And as I go along, I would like to get more, I guess, challenging plants and really go into more detail about the type of crystals and what type of energy they bring. So you guys stay tuned. I'll definitely let you know. So two things I forgot to touch on was the challenge that I did for myself and also the fact that I repurposed a couple of items. So repurposing wise, I actually took some old closet shelves that I was going to toss out and actually made it into a plant wall, which I had in my previous video, and I used it for shelves to display my plants, which really helped the space and saved me some money. The challenge for myself, I actually took a step out and I painted my trim black. So at first I was a little nervous about it, but after I painted everything, it was like it brought everything together. So I really loved how it turns out, and I think I'm going to apply that throughout the house. Alright you guys, so that was a dining room tour. Yay, it looks awesome. I'm very happy and I'm loving the space, and I can't wait to move on to the front room. That's where we're going next. So if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to keep up with my progress. And if you have anything to say, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. You guys have an awesome day, and as always, stay super-tastic.